good morning. It's a beautiful day. I'm Val, and once again, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 10 of our challenge, the 10-day green smoothie cleanse. And so today, what we have for you is pineapple kale smoothie. Okay, so we are going to get started. As usual, I'm going to put in the greens first. And so we have 2 handfuls of kale, one handful of spring mix. To that I'll add the water. So we'll get this going at first. To the mixture, now we will add the other ingredients, which are 2 handfuls of frozen pineapple, 1.5 cups of frozen peach, 1 scoop of protein powder, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, which we already grounded, and we are omitting the stevia. No sweetener. I think this is all done. And now for the taste test. But like I said, all the smoothies so far, they have been great. No regrets at all. True green. Do our test so fast. It's good. It is so good. Creamy. So once again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You will be notified as we upload our video. So you have yourself a great day. Bye.